She's running good now. So yeah, as you guys know, if you've been staying up with the forum, that I had a misfire on the 750 here, N63 motor, and got it when I was just normal driving. I was just passing somebody up going like 40-50 miles an hour. The dreaded drivetrain malfunction light comes on. Thought nothing of it. I'm like, okay, I'll just start up and or stop the car and restart it, whatever, and it'll go away. This time it didn't go away. Figured, hey, I haven't done plugs and coils since I've had it. Let me just put those in and see what happens. Put them in, and I had 2 codes for cylinder 3 and 6 misfire, and so change all 8 spark plugs with the Bosch double platinum and 2 new Bosch coils. So what ended up happening is the misfire was still there. So looking at the scanner data, this, that, clearing the code, swapping coils, clearing the code, just I unplugged the injector connector, cleaned it out with compressed air, and just blowing out connectors, whatever, just trying to figure out, what it could be. And this morning, I'm sorry, just now, recently, I left work and I bought me this kit from Harbor Freight, the compression tester. So I went around and checked each cylinder for compression, and lo and behold, they're all strong, 180 plus, 180 to 200. There's even one like a little over to like 204. So I'm like, what is going on? Before, the engine was running good, strong, for 170,000 miles. Checking number 6, which was the culprit, which was the cylinder misfire. Took out the new spark plug. Remember, this is supposed to be brand new. And I'm looking at them like, something's not right. And if you see the electrode, if I spin here at the bottom, it spins with it. So it's spinning. Look. So now it tightened up. Oh, see that? See this? It's broke. Brand new plug. It's never been dropped in my possession, but probably somebody at AutoZone or somewhere. But it broke. This is why every time I kept clearing the code, it kept coming back on. Drivetrain malfunction. Cylinder 6. So it was the plug out of cylinder 6. The car's running up now. The car's running good. Clear the code, and I just popped one of the old plugs back in there. The best looking one. It wasn't too bad. Gap was maybe 0.38, 0.39, whatever. But it's running good. This dreaded spark plug, look, just keeps spinning. So that was my problem, guys. Hope you guys find this video helpful, and start with the basics always. Cheers.